Let's jump to the best hosting providers first, then move down the list to see which ones you should avoid. Without further ado, here are the 6 best web hosting services for WordPress.
Food, we have fun group activities.
The benefits here are fantastic.
And, view's not so bad up here either.
I feel really spoiled. They take good care of us.
It really is like a second home.
If you're on the fence about applying to DreamHost, I would tell you definitely do it. It's going to be different than any other job you've had. It's so much better.
I really feel my growth personally. I've seen my coworkers grow.
I don't think that there's been a day since I started that I wanted to leave and go somewhere else.
I'm living, my best life. So I would say thanks for that.
We're definitely going to help you get where you want to be.
You put your passion, dedication, and expertise into running your own business, and nobody knows your business better than you. Your website also deserves to be hosted with passion, dedication, and expertise. And nobody knows website hosting better than us. SiteGround, web hosting crafted for successful websites.
Problems with your website? You want to hear about my problems?
Welcome to HostGator. What can I help you with? Is that better? Awesome. Thank you for calling HostGator.
Get the internet's best site kick support at HostGator.com. Award-winning technical support since 2002. Sign up today.
Hosting is a click, a scroll, a touch. It is servers, hard drives, processors, wires, generators, geeks. It is the internet. Hosting is web builders, domains, email, e-commerce. It's PHP, CSS, SSH, FTP, SSL, SEO. Hosting is a phone call, a friendly expert. It is 24/7. Hosting is a portfolio, a business, a blog, a resume. You make it.
Want the best web hosting for WordPress? Get a discount below in description.